How to replace alcohol addiction. If you're looking to swap out your nightly trip to the bar with a healthier habit, try exercise. Hitting the gym or a fun workout class, like Think Aerial Yoga or kickboxing with a friend or coworker, can help you beat stress without the hangover. And alcohol-free is also one alternative, encompassing drinks like alcohol-free beers, gins, and many more. These drinks are convenient for those looking to wean themselves from regular drinking. Offering something very similar to the real thing can serve as a smoother transition away from alcoholic drinks. If you're ready to make a change without turning your life upside down, schedule a call with a member of our team today. We are glad to be at your service. Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.